In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Taobao or 1688 using Alipay. Before we begin, make sure you can access your Alipay registered phone since a verification code will be sent there. Also, use a secure connection and the official websites only. Start by opening your browser and going to logindas.taobao.com. Sign in using whichever method you prefer, your account password, a one-time SMS code, or by scanning a QR code in the app. If you're doing this on 1688, the process is the same. Sign in first so you can reach your account settings. Once you're in, move your cursor to your profile or account area, which is typically at the top left or top right of the page. From the menu that appears, select Account Management or Account and Security. If the site displays in Chinese, your browser's translate feature can help you find the right section without changing any settings. Next, look for the Alipay binding area. It may be labeled Bind Alipay or Alipay Account Management. Click that option to begin linking your accounts. You'll now be asked for the phone number associated with your Alipay. Choose your country code from the drop-down first, then enter your mobile number without deleting 0. That formatting is important because including the extra 0 can block the verification message from arriving. To confirm you're not a bot, complete the slider verification by dragging the puzzle piece into place. If it doesn't pass the first time, reset and try again slowly and smoothly. Alipay will then send a 6-digit SMS code to your registered number. Type that code on the Taobao page exactly as shown. These codes expire quickly, so enter it promptly. If the message doesn't arrive, check your signal, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking notifications, and request a new code after the cooldown. Never share verification codes with anyone. A pop-up will ask you to authorize Taobao to connect with your Alipay account. Review the prompt, then select Agree, Confirm, or Authorize to proceed. If you have the Alipay app installed, you might also see a confirmation inside the app. Approve it there as well. Once approved, you'll see a status indicating Alipay is bound to your account. From now on, checkout will be faster, and in many cases, you'll experience seamless auto login behavior when paying. If the status doesn't update immediately, refresh the page or sign out and back in. That's it. Your Taobao or 1688 account is now linked to Alipay, making your shopping and payments smoother and more secure.